Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today, actually I have recently bought one polish spray from Amazon. The name is WaveX Instant Spray Polish. They have written triple power, clean, shine and protect. So I actually randomly bought it. After seeing some of the reviews, very good reviews were there for all this spray. So I bought this at what price was, I think 185 rupees, and is 350 ml. So just wanted to check it, test it on my bike, and show you guys how it looks after polish. This polish. This is actually a bit of green color liquid. Okay, so let's test it on my bike. I'll show you how it works, how it looks. Is it very good or average, or how is it? I'll show you. And for information, it is made by some Jangra Chemicals, Punjab, Jalandhar. Made in India, no issues. Two-wheelers, wooden furniture, then electrical appliances like refrigerator, TV, and all types of painted plastic and rubber surfaces. So you can use it on all the above mentioned products here. Okay, so let's check it on my bike now. Look at the condition of my bike. I actually traveled yesterday, Mysore to Bangalore, so there was a very heavy rain, and look at the condition of. I have to wash it first. Look at that, man. Oh my god, too much of dirt. Look at that. There was a very heavy rain, so now this is the condition, and I'll show you how it looks now. After polish, we'll see how it looks. It's better if you have this kind of microfiber cleaning cloth, this kind of square or rectangular the cloth, this material. This is actually very good for cleaning and polish. Specifically for polishing, this kind of material cloth is very, very good. It's better than that normal cotton cloth. Okay, if you don't have, you can use a normal cloth like that. And now I have washed my bike. Yes, it looks very clean. Now I'll polish it, and I'll rub it with this microfiber cloth. I'll show you how it looks. look at the quality. It actually looks very good. Look at that kind of matte finishing, but there is a shining after a few seconds. And check this is before polishing, and you can check here. Now check, it's kind of wet, but it's a layer of polish above the normal. And actually you should wait for a few minutes after polishing. It will glow again. You should wait. Check this. Before polish, after polish, before and after. Let me also tell you one major negative thing about it, about this polish. After the polish, when you go out, it will attract a lot of dust. Yes, there will be dust accumulation on your bike's parts wherever you have polished.